Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So today is actually Tuesday, and I'm gonna bring you along on our evening routine today because we have had the most productive day. Honestly, we've gotten so much stuff done, but all of it has been like errands and like things not at the house. So I'm gonna show you our evening routine at our house. Seth is in class today. He won't be back until about 9 o'clock tonight. Baylee just woke up from a nap. She is playing. I still need to kind of do like an evening cleaning routine, and then I need to find something to eat for supper and give Baylee her bath, do our bedtime routine, and also get some homework done. So I'm going to show you my daily evening routine, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Baby, you have crazy hair. Hi. Hi. So gonna take some vitamin B. These are the little gummy chews for energy and metabolism support. Yeah, so I found them at Walmart the other day. What? And me and Seth are gonna start trying these. Thank you. Oh, I love you, doggy. Mwah. Can you give him kisses? Can you give doggy kisses? Huh? Okay, we gotta clean up. We also got this huge pillow the other day at Target, and I need to take it to the bedroom instead of it being in here in the living room. So, also need to make the bed in here, but not right now. So we're almost out of this candle, but this is my definite favorite probably. This is a cinnamon caramel swirl from Bath & Body Works. It's kind of an older one, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but I'm gonna light this one because I love it. Yeah, you wanna light it? Yay! We got everything clean. Good job, baby. Got our candle burning. We cleaned the living room in here. Whoop! Careful! For the most part. And it looks so good. You okay? Yeah? Yeah? Baylee, say happy. Happy. So now we're gonna chill. Baylee, your baby doll's in the floor. Now we're gonna chill and watch some YouTube. I have this fan going because like I'm burning up in here, even though the air is on like 69. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna watch some YouTube and chill, and then I'm gonna do some homework here in a few and get ready for the evening with Baylee. This is her favorite place to go, under the desk over there. What are you doing, Baylee? We have our like books for school and stuff stacked up behind her, by the way. So we're watching Alicia Marie's video with Remy. Yeah, I love both of them. Honestly, being super lazy today, probably gonna make these for me and Seth for supper, and then this one for Baylee, just because I'm like being so lazy tonight. So we're gonna do a bath time before that we eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and give Baylee her bath, and then maybe if I have enough time, or possibly can take a shower too. I don't know. I guess we'll just see. So.
Through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do.
So I'm pretty much just gonna let Baylee play for a few minutes in the bathtub, and then I will finish washing her off and rinsing her. And then I'll get her ready for bed, and then probably come back in here and take a shower before Seth gets here, and then I'll cook supper. And then hopefully Seth should be here by then so we can do some homework. What did you do? So here is tonight's pajamas. And then we're using this lotion in the honey apple scent. We love this one. And we gotta comb your hair. Where's your comb? You know? Here, you hold that while Mama finds the comb. You hold it, okay? Put it on your... So here it is. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Your hair. Up here. Go ahead. Here. Mama do it? Or you want to get your jammies on first? Oh, your jammies are so cute. These are just about too small, so we need to get some bigger ones. Sit still, okay? Your nosy running? Suey! Here. Ready? You're all clean. So we painted Baylee's, well, I painted Baylee's toenails today. Let me see them. They're so cute. Baylee. I need to see your toenail. Are you sleepy? Yeah, they're really cute though.
Oh, I'm really excited for this week's main channel video because I asked girls on Instagram today to ask us questions about, like, just kind of any questions you have about us having, like, an online relationship, just, like, being married and, like, being on YouTube.
Got it!
Questions yet, but
yay!
Idea of
back over in the little corner. Is Daddy home? Is Daddy home? Not yet? Not yet. Oh my gosh. Are you serious, Baylee? How did you even get back there? Oh my god. How did you get back there? And how are you gonna get out? Huh? How are you gonna get out of there? Like, literally? Like, how did you get back there? Come on. Come on. We gotta get out. Oh my god. Hi. Oh.
What's in there?
It's a sandwich. What do you have?
Nothing. Oh, goodness gracious.
Did you miss Daddy? Daddy got us chips. Yay! Oh,
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of yours.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed our evening routine. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That's pretty much all that we do whenever Seth and Baylee go to bed. I usually stay up a little bit later, finish my homework, edit some videos, things that I really can't get done with Baylee awake. And then I was gonna take a shower, but I'm gonna wait until in the morning before class. So good night, you guys. Thank you for watching.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?